Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be comparing US Mobile and Visible. These are two of the most popular prepaid carriers in the United States. But before we begin, you need to check out the links in the description for the latest plans and offers from US Mobile and Visible. So first we need to understand the network and coverage. So US Mobile runs on Verizon and T-Mobile's networks, giving you the flexibility to choose the best one for your area. Whereas if we talk about Visible, so Visible is owned by Verizon, offering full access to the Verizon's 5G and LTE network. So here US Mobile is better if you want a choice between Verizon and T-Mobiles, whereas Visible is better for you if you want the straightforward Verizon coverage with no extra choices. Now just move on to the plans and pricing. So if you talk about the US Mobile plans, so the unlimited starter will cost you $29 per month. That will give you unlimited data but slower speeds. The unlimited premium plan will cost you $50 per month. That will give you premium 5G speeds and perks also included in it. You will get custom plans as well, so you will be able to pay only for what you need. For example, 2 GB for $10. If we just take a look at the Visible plans, so on Visible plans, the Visible base plan will cost you $25 per month. That will give you unlimited data, but it may slow down during the congestion. The Visible plus plan will cost you $45 per month, and it will just give you the premium 5G speeds, better Verizon access and international perks. So here US Mobiles means for the compatibility and premium perks. The Visible wins for the affordable unlimited data. And now if we just compare the perks and features of both of these, so US Mobile provides unlimited premium, includes free streaming perks like Netflix and Spotify on multi-line plans, whereas Visible Plus offers international calling to 30 plus countries and faster roaming options. So which one should you actually go for? So you can go for US Mobile if you want the custom plans, premium perks and a choice between Verizon and T-Mobiles, and you can go with Visible if you want a budget friendly unlimited plan with Verizon's network. For the latest plans and offers, you can check out the link in the description to US Mobile and Visible. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.